We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can repeat a song on Apple Music. So first, apparently you will need to launch the Apple Music app, then open the playback menu of the song you would like to loop. Then make sure to also open not only its playback but the queue or play next menu, and here tap at this repeat or loop icon, the middle one, until you'll see this little 1 digit on it, which means that this song is now looped and will be played again and again. So let's test it out real quick. So as you can see, the song is now ending and it plays again. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.